Welcome to this beginner's meditation guide. Meditation is the practice of focusing your attention on the present moment. It can be used to reduce stress, improve focus, and boost overall well-being. Before we begin, here are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, stay for the bonus from us here at Empower Me AI at the end of this video. Now find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable position, either on the floor with your legs crossed or in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Don't worry if your mind wanders. It's perfectly normal. Just gently bring it back to your breath. There is no right or wrong way to meditate. Just focus on your breath and be present in the moment. Let's embark on our meditation exercise. This expedition, my dear friend, is truly a splendid one. A path that steadily leads to the tranquility of inner peace. A solace unrivaled by anything the external world has to offer. It is essentially a journey of self-discovery, a voyage into the hitherto unexplored depths of our minds and souls. This is a journey that only you can make, a venture into your own cosmos, your own universe. Let's talk about your position during meditation. It should be one that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. This might be sitting cross-legged, lying down, or even standing, depending on what feels most comfortable for you. The key here is to ensure your body is at ease, so your mind can follow suit. Pay attention to your body's adjustments as necessary, allowing your posture to improve time. The natural ebb and flow of your breathing. Notice how your chest rises and falls in harmony with each inhalation and exhalation. This dance of breath, this gentle rhythm becomes a lullaby that soothes your mind and spirit. Feel the cool air coming in, filling your lungs, and the warm air going out. Encourage this process to be natural and unforced. Tranquil light spreading throughout your body, inspiring tranquility within. As you breathe out, gently say to yourself, "At peace." Picture these words grounding you, anchoring you to the earth, connecting you with the present moment. The process. Light seems a little brighter, the colors a little more vibrant. Follow this up with a few deep mindful breaths, allowing your body to assimilate the tranquility you cultivated during your meditation. This is a beautiful moment, a moment of reconnection with the world. Now that we have completed our meditation exercise, it's beneficial to spend some time reflecting on the experience. This is not about analyzing or judging your performance during the meditation, but rather about acknowledging and appreciating the journey you've just undertaken. Ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Do I feel more relaxed, more at peace, more connected with my inner self? Remember, there are no right or wrong answers to these questions. The purpose of these reflections is to enhance your awareness of your feelings and emotions, to foster a deeper understanding of your inner world. Next, let's engage in a mindfulness exercise. While still in your serene spot, take a moment to notice your surroundings. What sounds can you hear? Is there a cool breeze touching your skin? Can you sense the warmth of the sun or the coolness of the shade? What smells are there? What textures can you feel around you? Paying attention to these details helps ground us in the present moment and enhance our sense of mindfulness. Now slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings and gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to feel after meditation. Whether you feel a sense of calm, a rush of energy, or even if you feel the same as before, it's all perfectly okay. The important thing is that you took this time for yourself to connect with your inner self and to experience the power of meditation. Finally, remember to carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you go about your day. Try to keep this state of awareness, of being present in the moment, as you engage in your daily activities. This is one of the most potent ways to extend the benefits of your meditation practice into your everyday life. Meditation is a practice that takes time and repetition to master. Don't be discouraged if you find it difficult at first. Just keep practicing and you will eventually see the benefits. Here are a few additional tips for beginners. If you find it difficult to focus on your breath, try counting your breaths instead. Count to 10 on the inhale and to 10 on the exhale. If you find yourself getting fidgety, simply adjust your position. If you fall asleep, don't worry. Just gently bring yourself back to the meditation. Be patient with yourself. It takes time to learn how to meditate. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're ready to try your first meditation session, click on the link in the description for a beginner session just for you. Thank you for watching.